So the next thing we're going to do is any imperfections, holes, clean them up, and then get some filler. Some quick filler will be perfect. These are amazing. And it should look a bit like this. Really easy to apply. Literally just go over it and boom. It's covered, and then just smooth it out. Smooth. Oh, bugger. And then just do the rest that way. So when you start painting, it covers the hole. What you can do after is sand it down. So yeah, any imperfections you see, literally just like that, bit of filler, and then smooth out again. And just look around everywhere else. Cobweb off. Oh, there's one there. Perfect. And then once it's dried, you sand it down, and then you start painting. So yeah, it's getting better. Holes are all filled, as you can see. The holes are filled. Just need to cover the floor now. Clear the whole area so you've got nothing in your way, and then you start painting.